We've all heard it. Just think positive, and the universe will deliver. But if manifestation is supposed to be simple, why does it often feel impossible? As author and speaker Mel Robbins suggests, manifestation isn't magic. It's about taking action on what you truly want. Let's dive into why manifestation seems so hard and discover actionable strategies to make it work. Welcome to Curious Universe, a space where we unravel the mysteries of the mind and the universe. Today, we're exploring the art and science of manifestation to better understand why it can feel elusive and how to unlock its potential. As motivational expert Tony Robbins often highlights, clarity is power. Manifestation is often misunderstood. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza, manifestation is less about wishful thinking and more about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with a clear goal. The process involves retraining your brain to focus on what truly matters, integrating psychology, neuroscience, and deliberate action. The difficulty with manifestation lies in the subconscious mind. As psychotherapist Marisa Peer explains, your subconscious beliefs often clash with your conscious desires. You might want success, but deeply rooted self-doubt acts like an invisible anchor, holding you back. Addressing these internal conflicts is key to making manifestation work. Science offers valuable insights into manifestation. Neuroscientist Dr. Tara Swart notes that visualizing your goals activates the same neural circuits as achieving them, creating a mental rehearsal that primes you for success. However, as Swart emphasizes, action is the missing piece. Visualization must be paired with deliberate steps to bring your goals to life. Many people falter in their manifestation efforts by concentrating on how their goals will materialize, instead of clarifying why they want them. Best-selling author Gabrielle Bernstein suggests focusing on your why to align your intentions and emotions. Without this clarity, you risk sending mixed signals to yourself and the universe. Manifestation is a skill that requires practice and intention. Motivational speaker Les Brown says, "You don't get what you want, you get who you are." The formula is straightforward: clarity, emotion, action, and trust. The real magic isn't in wishing, it's in embodying the version of yourself who has already achieved what you desire. Resistance often masquerades as failure, but it's one of your greatest teachers. As author Stephen Pressfield argues in The War of Art, resistance is a signal of what truly matters. Leaning into discomfort reveals your deepest fears and limiting beliefs, paving the way for genuine transformation. Manifestation bridges the realms of science and mysticism. Neuroscience highlights how thoughts shape behavior, while spirituality emphasizes belief and connection. Dr. Bruce Lipton describes this interplay as a field of potential, where intention and energy converge. Together, these perspectives provide a comprehensive roadmap for unlocking human potential. Manifestation isn't a mystical force. It's a practice grounded in aligning thoughts, emotions, and actions with your highest potential. The next time you feel stuck, ask yourself, what belief is holding me back? As Rhonda Byrne, author of The Secret, reminds us, the universe responds to who you believe you are. What will you choose to manifest today?